What is going on, my individuals? Drexler here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Today I will be discussing why us humans tend to look better looking or more attractive in the evening or at nighttime versus the morning or during the day. I've seen this question quite often. Why do I not look as good in the morning as I do at night? And no, you are not ugly or unattractive. Most people probably wouldn't even recognize this if they saw you, because when it comes down to it, you're your own worst critic. I mean, you know yourself more than anybody else does. And on top of that, I even saw this post the other day that said that people see you 20% more attractive than what you think you are. So that's a big plus. But whatever the case, I wouldn't worry about what people think. I've seen a lot of you guys, I've seen a lot of my viewers and subscribers, and honestly, we got some handsome dudes in the house. So this should be the least of your worries. However, to answer this question, there may be a couple reasons why you may look your best at night versus the morning. And that is simply because, number one, in the morning, when you rise and grind out of bed, you may notice that your face looks like kind of like this. You're just like this. And that is because of the accumulation of body fluids. You see, when we sleep, we distribute water in the body that we would have peed out during the day. So when that happens, your face tends to get a little bit more full because it's more full of fluids, and then your eyes will get a little groggy, and this could take a little while to get back to normal. But if you want to speed up this process, say you are going on a date right in the morning, or you're going to a business meeting, whatever, you can definitely boost up the circulation by taking a cold shower, maybe putting some ice cubes in a small washcloth, and then kind of just gently pressing that on your face. And obviously, if you want to look your best in the morning, you can dress up real nice, put on some nice clothes. You can get a really nice haircut every couple weeks and make sure that you're doing your hair often. And if you do these things in the morning, not only will you just look better, but you'll feel better about yourself. You'll feel a lot more motivated when you're dressed up and you're ready to go. By the way, we do got an awesome promo code for you guys to use down in the description below on all Shavu hair products. Yes, this is my own brand, and we create hair products that not only give you an amazing hairstyle, but they also include top-notch ingredients to help you achieve softer and overall healthier hair. Alright, now moving on. Number two, the nighttime allows for more shadowing. For example, if you've ever done a photo shoot or seen one take place, then sometimes the photographer will have the model stand somewhere kind of dark, and then he'll put a bright light kind of in front and over him, and that way it casts a really nice shadow, and it really makes that model's jawline stick out. It makes his cheekbones look nice and sunken in to have an overall more chiseled face. And so to answer the question, in the mornings you're not really getting that shadow effect, that nice contrasted look as you would at night, especially with the moon. I mean, the moon is like a studio light shining down on you, as well as street lights and things like that. And lastly, number three, when it starts to get darker at night, your skin impurities, we all have them, tend to not be as radiant, and the night allows your skin tone to look a little bit more even. So if you're wondering why you may look a little bit better at night versus the morning, these are the reasons why. No, you're not ugly by any means, and no, nobody's gonna even notice this besides you. So at the end of the day, I personally wouldn't even worry about it. And honestly, life is so much more important than looks. Yeah, it's good to look your best and stay on top of your game. However, me personally, I do not think that this should be first priority in our lives. There's actually 5 things to life that will bring you complete joy and happiness. And if I have to start at most important to least, it would be God, family, passion, health, and community. Making sure that you're staying close to God, making time for your family, spending time with them, finding your passions and doing what you love, staying healthy and looking good, and of course, being there for your community, helping other people. That's the stuff, you guys, that we should be focusing on above all else. And as we all get older, I truly believe that we will understand this more and more, because I know I have. So I hope you guys dug this video. Now, I will be doing shout outs in an upcoming video later this month. So if you want a shout out, a free shout out from myself, be sure to let me know in the comments below what you dug about today's video, and be sure to add your Instagram username so I can give you that shout out. If you guys dug this video, please give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and be sure to hit that notifications button so I can inform you when I drop some new content. And I'll see you guys very soon. My name is Drexler. Shaka bra.